In this short video, I'll show how we can use rCharts and Slidify, two new R packages out on GitHub by the same author, to create an Ipython Style Notebook. If you follow me, you'll know that I'm extremely excited about these two packages. Here are the sites. rCharts allows us access to some very good JavaScript libraries built on D3 and Raphael to do interactive SVG style charting on the web. Slidify is the other. It was originally intended to create JavaScript presentations, but has morphed into a fairly universal publishing tool. Ramnath, the author of both packages, gave a really good presentation to the New York Hacker Meetup this past week. You can catch it on live stream. Highly recommend looking at it, where he talks about interactive and dynamic documents. As a test of rCharts and Slidify, I thought it'd be really interesting to take the tutorial that comes with the Rickshaw library and recreate it entirely from R. And here is the output. You can see it's very close. The only real changes are that this is R code rather than JavaScript. But take it to a whole new level of interactivity and flexibility. Like I said, let's borrow some concepts from Ipython, introduced by Yihui, the author of Knitter. And you can see that here's a demo that comes packaged with Knitter that is built on top of Shiny, and you'll see that we use our local R to create HTML document that appears nearly real-time on this right-hand side. So what Ramnath has done is taken that demo and extended it with a couple very nice new options. This is available through rCharts. So let's require rCharts, and then what we'll do is set our notebook. If you want to just run it straight out of the box, you can just do open notebook and away you go. But for this, let's open up the markdown that contains that tutorial. You can find this out on my GitHub repo and see how we might be able to use this. Here we go, and you'll see that the tutorial now appears where I can real-time interact with this. Rickshaw, rCharts, here's a tutorial. If for some reason we wanted to delete all this text, we could simply delete renet, and the text goes away. One of the very nice features that Ramnath added was the use of the Ace editor, a very good JavaScript library that I think is also used by GitHub and multiple other very well-known venues to give us things like Control-Z, automatic code highlighting, and various other capabilities. So let's just see what might happen if we change this 17 to 0, and example 1 that we're looking here. You'll see the text reappears because I undid that delete, and you'll notice that that 17 goes down. Let's do it one more time, but let's add 100. And you'll see this chart change on the fly. It's a very nice feature that I highly recommend you check out using Open Notebook and rCharts. Please let Ramnath, the author, know of any errors that you might find, or let him know some features you want. I know that he's extremely engaging and responsive, so find him on GitHub.